Guys, good evening. I'm making my, what you call that? I'm making my DIY lantern. There. Look at this, guys. Hi, I'm making my DIY lantern. I use bamboo stick and then this one. Bamboo stick and then this one wire like this. A big wire. And then I stick it to the wire. This one. I'm making a DIY lantern. Do it yourself means DIY. DIY means do it yourself. A DIY lantern. Very hard, guys. This one. Oh. Hello. Hi. I'm making DIY lantern. Very hard. My husband is laughing. There. I need to take out the stick so I can stick the sticker to the stick. Here. But it's not really a stick, it's a big, I use big wire. It is a stick, a bamboo stick. And then I stick this one, a wire stick to the bamboo. That's why it looks like a sun now. Hi, shout out. Where are you from? No, I'm not England. I'm from the Philippines. From the country of Manny Pacman Pacquiao. Philippines. Hello. Please subscribe, guys. Shout out. What's your name? Richard? I'm doing a DIY lantern. I'm the one who made this. This is a bamboo stick. This one, and this one is a big wire. I stick it to the bamboo. It's a lantern. Making my own lantern, Christmas lantern. It looks like a sun lantern. They're asking honey what I'm doing.
No, we know what we're doing.
No, they don't know. That's why they are asking. Yes, I'm done now. See how messy here? Oh, messy here. I need to clean this later. I need to attach this there. I'm done. And guys, hala. What's happening? I'm done now. Oh my God. There. See, you can see what I did. This one. Oh. See this? There. Oh. You see what I'm doing? There. Oh. This is a bamboo stick, and then I stick the wire to the bamboo. So, this is a wire. A big wire. Stick it to the bamboo, and it looks sad now. It's a sun lantern.
Wow.
See? Oh, that's what I did. Very beautiful. See? It's a bamboo stick. A bamboo stick. I stick it there. It's only a wire and a bamboo stick. Hey, beautiful. See that?
Gotta make sure it doesn't fall over. You have this tape on there?
What else?
Fall off the wall?
You want me to stick it here? I like it here, oh, in this side.
Or whatever you want there.
Or do you like it? Hello. Do you like my project? It's a sun lantern. I made it my own. Because I there.
Oh,
I think that's lupa.
I think it's up.
There is a remote control. Hi. Hello. You look what I did, oh. Very nice. See? Oh. Ah. This one. Diba? Different kinds of lights.
Well, you gotta clean up your mess now, you know.
Yeah. It's reverse, going up and going down.
Yeah.
This one. Oh, it's steady.
All kinds of adjustments.
Yeah. Look, guys, so very beautiful. Nick, can I put it outside?
She's like a baby.
I'm like a baby. You know, I'm like a baby. I'm really happy that the lights that I did. It's beautiful.
Show me your lights out front there.
Yeah. Hello, guys. I will bring it outside. Outside, so people can see it, can watch it. You know, I really like it. See that? It's a bamboo stick. I'm the one who did that. And then I stick the wires and I stick the stickers. You see, guys? It's Christmas here in our house. See? Very beautiful. I will sit here. This is my e-bike. See this? Hello, hello. I'm gonna sit here because I'm gonna remote. I will change the design of the light. Hi, hi. I'm going inside now. There. I'm tired. I'm tired of making the lantern. Hey, tired of making the lantern.
Tired?
Yep.